Hey everyone, welcome back. If you own a car, sooner or later you'll need a new battery. And choosing the right one makes a big difference. From AGM for start-stop systems to Lithium for auxiliary power and GEL for extreme conditions, modern batteries offer more performance than ever. I've tested every battery here for starting power, durability, efficiency, and value. And today, we're ranking the top 8 auto batteries, from budget options to premium high-performance picks. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8, we have the Interstate MTZ AGM. Download the compatibility guide below under Product Guides and Documents to learn more and verify fit. Interstate's MTX AGM design packs more lead into the battery, giving you the longest life possible for your start-stop vehicle. Interstate's MTX absorbed glass mat AGM battery will meet or exceed your car's starting requirements while delivering premium battery performance to power all your accessories and plugins, making it outrageously dependable. Expected service life is 2 times more than a conventional lead alloy AGM battery and 3 times longer life than a conventional flooded battery. This design packs more lead into the car battery, giving you the longest life possible, while the battery itself is spill-proof and vibration-resistant. Rechargeable, maintenance-free, and spill-proof because of the AGM and VRLA, valve-regulated, technology that eliminates spills and overpressure. It's at number 8 because pure automotive lead AGM packs more lead for a longer life. At number 7, we've got the Odyssey Performance Series. This is a well-built performance battery that many users praise for its solid construction and precise fit across a wide range of vehicles. Installation is straightforward, and once in place, it delivers strong, reliable starting power, especially in demanding conditions. However, real-world feedback on longevity is a bit mixed. Some users report excellent reliability over time, while others mention issues with the battery losing charge or failing earlier than expected. The same goes for value. Some see it as a worthwhile investment for the performance, while others feel the price is slightly on the higher side compared to alternatives. It lands at number 7 because while it offers strong build quality, good fitment, and solid performance, the mixed feedback on battery life and value makes it a less consistent choice. Still, if you're considering a performance-focused battery, it's worth a closer look. Just keep those user experiences in mind. At number 6, we have the Weize Platinum AGM Battery BCI Group, 49 to 12 volts. Ensures quick and reliable starting power, delivers superior starting power in cold weather, and resists internal corrosion from heat. Specially designed for vehicles with start-stop technology and accessories that demand greater power. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, this 160RC 95 ampere-hours 900 cold cranking amps automotive start-stop battery is the perfect choice for reliability. Leak-proof and certified non-spillable design for safer, maintenance-free power, constructed for greater vibration resistance and enhanced durability. A GM automotive starter batteries are designed for stop/start applications that have higher electrical accessory loads or performance vehicles that require a higher CCA starting battery with improved cyclic ability, and are not suitable for deep cycle use in solar projects or marine applications. It's at number 6 because of the 160RC rating with a 2x cycle life of conventional ones. Number 5 brings us the UPLUS BCI Group 47 car battery. High-density negative paste and enhanced life alloy or silver calcium stamped alloy. The UPLUS Start and Stop AGM battery has 4 times the extra cycle life compared to standard conventional batteries. Ideal for vehicles with large electrical loads, DVD players, navigation systems, heated seats, power doors, etc. Vehicles used for frequent short trips or in stop-and-go traffic, and vehicles that sit unused for days or weeks at a time. A calcium lead positive grid maximizes conductivity and allows for low resistance. Highest cold cranking amps, 660 CCA for engine starts, even reliable during cold winter temperatures. 15 times more vibration resistant. Vent cap design that resists acid leakage. Top-level safety features and absolutely no free acid. Original spare parts ensure the replacement battery has the same quality as the original one. It's at number 5 because of 4 times the extra cycle life versus conventional batteries. At number 4, we've got the Interstate AGMH6. Download the compatibility guide below under Product Guides and Documents to learn more and verify fit. Interstate's MTX AGM design packs more lead into the battery, giving you the longest life possible for your start-stop vehicle. Interstate's MTX absorbed glass mat battery will meet or exceed your car's starting requirements while delivering premium battery performance to power all your accessories and plug-ins, making it outrageously dependable. Expected service life is 2 times more than a conventional lead alloy AGM battery and 3 times longer life than a conventional flooded battery. This design packs more lead into the car battery, giving you the longest life possible, while the battery itself is spill-proof and vibration-resistant. The MTX is an absorbed glass mat battery using a revolutionary design that suspends electrolyte in fiberglass mats instead of letting free-flowing liquid in a battery cell. It's at number 4 because it's automotive pure lead AGM for the longest life possible. Coming in at number 3 is the MightyMax ML 22-12 battery. Our gel batteries deliver consistent, long-lasting power thanks to their slower self-discharge rate compared to AGM batteries. MightyMax gel batteries provide consistent performance in extreme temperatures, excelling in a wide range of climates. Their resilience to temperature fluctuations allows for solid power delivery, whether you're operating in the heat of summer or the chill of winter. Our GEL batteries feature a thick, non-spillable gel paste that is safer and less prone to leaks, reducing the risk of acid spills and harmful fumes. This meticulous design enables our gel batteries to resist vibrations and shocks, making them well-suited for demanding environments. MightyMax has earned a solid reputation for quality and reliability, making it a brand people trust. Experience the benefits of advanced GEL technology for superior discharge capabilities, enhanced safety, better performance, and longer lifespan. It's at number 3 because of GL technology with a slower self-discharge rate. At number 2, we have the Super Empower Lithium battery. Designed for deep cycle energy storage applications, Super Empower LiFePO4 batteries provide reliable power for RV, marine, trolling motor, and off-grid systems, featuring premium LiFePO4 cells and an integrated BMS for protection against overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, short-circuit, and temperature extremes. Ideal for auxiliary and house power needs in mobile and outdoor setups, ensuring stable and long-lasting performance. Designed for energy storage use only, this battery is not suitable for engine starting or cranking applications. Supports up to 4 in series and 4 in parallel, max 4S4P, forming a 51.2-volt 400 ampere-hour configuration with 20.48 kilowatt-hours capacity. Suitable for RV energy systems, automotive auxiliary power, marine power, and solar storage, with the integrated BMS managing cell balancing and multi-battery operation. It's at number 2 because it's designed for deep cycle energy storage. And finally, at number 1 is the Optima Redtop. This is the best overall auto battery. Reserve capacity of 100 minutes for constant performance. Faster charging capabilities. Spiral cell technology with 99.99% pure lead delivers more power and consistently outperforms conventional flat-plate batteries. Optimal starting power even in bad weather. 15 times more resistant to vibration than standard flooded batteries for durability, and up to 3 times longer life versus standard flooded batteries. For maximum convenience, ideal for basic electrical demands. It's at number 1 because of 800 cold cranking amps with 100 minutes of reserve capacity. Spiral cell technology. With 99.99% pure lead delivers more power, consistently outperforms conventional flat-plate batteries, optimal starting power even in bad weather, 15 times more resistant to vibration than flooded batteries, up to 3 times longer life versus standard flooded batteries, faster charging capabilities, maintenance-free for maximum convenience. For most people wanting best overall auto battery with superior starting power and vibration resistance, the Optima Redtop is simply unbeatable. All right, there you have it. The top 8 auto batteries of 2026, tested and ranked. Choose based on your needs. High CCA for cold climates, AGM for modern vehicles. lithium for deep cycle use, and durable builds for long-term reliability. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest automotive reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.